What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of the Manly Garage. Today we are fixing the fold flat feature on the passenger side of a 2015 Toyota 4Runner. This is actually a really fast fix. If you get in here, you got this plastic cover here. If you look down at the bottom, there's actually a Phillips head screw that I've already removed. And then to pull this off, it's literally just finger tension and it comes out and out of the way. The cable that you are looking for is actually right back here. I've already done the repair, and when I first opened this thing up, the cable itself, you see this little white piece here, was actually out here. It was outside of this clip. So now what I did in order to fix this and ensure that it will not come out again is I took this pair of channel locks after I relocated the white piece on that cable back into the tab. I took these channel locks in here like so, and I clamped around the edge of that tab there. I'm doing this one-handed, so I can't quite get it in there all the way, but you're gonna put the very edges of the teeth on here, and you're going to squeeze that opening a little bit tighter on the edge of that, or on the edges of this white piece on the cable here that actually connects everything. What that's gonna do is it's gonna hold everything in place for you. Going back together, real simple. You're gonna end up putting this plastic piece back into position. It all kind of clips into place, goes back together real easily. There we go, that's back in. You're gonna take your Phillips head screw here. You're gonna put that in there, like so. Anyways, that's gonna go back in there. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to tighten that back up. I can't do it one-handed, but it is a very fast and easy fix. The dealer will charge you about 150 bucks to do it. You can do it in about 10 minutes. Keys to success. Step one is folding your driver's side seat down flat and sliding it all the way forward, and that's going to get you maximum access to this panel here. Second thing is making sure you got your third row up if you have it and out of the way, so you've got a ton of space down here. Real easy to get to, real fast to take care of, doesn't take any time at all. Anyways, hopefully I saved you some money. Have a great day. I'm going to button this back up and put it together.